Hello from the Center for Advancing Correctional Excellence. As a center focused on action research, we have the opportunity to work with many justice and health professionals across the country. Right now, all of us are feeling the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, and we can expect the effects to evolve and multiply. The fallout from COVID-19 will affect our communities and systems in many ways, including high unemployment and financial strain. In the past, other natural disasters have seen some increases in property crime and an increase in substance use. Who is at risk is unclear, but unemployment is associated with an increased risk of both substance use generally and an increased risk of return to use for those with previous substance use disorders. In addition, we must rely less on incarceration, not only because it is ineffectual, but because it is now a risk factor for the spread of COVID-19. Just as restaurants and delivery services have had to adapt their policies and practices to help flatten the curve, so too will the justice system. To help our justice partners grapple with these new challenges, we are launching a series dedicated to navigating these uncertain waters. This series, Justice Challenges and Opportunities in a Pandemic, hashtag JCOP, will provide resources, guides, and tips to aid in your planning and training efforts. To start this series off, we want to provide you an important national news alert. First, states have been given more flexibility to amend their laws to provide unemployment insurance benefits in multiple scenarios related to COVID 19. For example, federal law allows states to pay benefits where one, an employer temporarily ceases operations due to COVID 19, preventing employees from coming to work. Two, an individual is quarantined with the expectation of returning to work after the quarantine is over. And three, an individual leaves employment due to a risk of exposure or infection or to care for a family member. In addition, federal law does not require an employee to quit in order to receive benefits due to the impact of COVID 19. Next, we will be providing regular resources. To start off, you might want to visit the Addiction Policy Forum website at addictionpolicy.org and search their resources, including written materials, videos, and online courses to help staff better understand addiction. You may also want to sign up for their newsletter to receive regular updates and resources. One important recent notification is the availability of a downloadable app that can help support those in recovery. Much of what we learn in the risk need responsivity model and core correctional practices are individual level approaches. This focus on individual traits, e.g., personality and thoughts, can sometimes mask the importance of social structures and system level effort effects on individual behavior. We will continue to provide guidance and resources for one on one work with individuals, particularly in problem solving, but we will also be focusing on helping officers understand the effect of system level changes on individual behavior, as well as system level responses, such as employment insurance changes. If you have specific questions for us or topics you want us to cover, you can tweet us at correctionsgmu or email rnrtool@gmu.edu. Our justice partners are in our thoughts, and we are here to help. We'll get through this together. Stay safe and stay home if at all possible.